In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone call directly from your Gmail account. This can be incredibly useful for both personal and professional scenarios, allowing you to stay connected without needing to switch devices or applications. Let's dive right into the process and get you calling effortlessly from your Gmail. To begin, ensure that your device is connected to the internet. This might sound obvious, but a stable internet connection is essential since the call will be placed over the internet rather than through a traditional phone line. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing in gmail.com in the address bar. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once you've done that, you should see your inbox. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of the Gmail interface. You'll find a small icon resembling a phone handle next to the chat and meet sections. Click on this icon. This step opens up the Google Voice interface within Gmail, which is what you'll be using to make your calls. If this is your first time using this feature, you might need to allow your browser to access your microphone, so be sure to permit any prompts that pop up. After accessing the phone call feature, a dial pad will appear on your screen. Here, you can enter the phone number you want to call. If the person you're calling is in your contact list or has communicated with you via email, you might be able to find their number directly or put their name in instead. Remember, you need to enter the complete phone number, including the area code. Once you've entered the number, click on the call button. It's typically marked with a green phone icon. This will initiate the call. You should be able to hear the dial tone and connect to the person on the other end, provided everything is set up correctly. During the call, maintain your usual conversational tone. Ensure you are in a place with minimal background noise, not only for your own clarity, but also for the listener's comfort. When your call is done, you can hang up by clicking the red phone icon, similar to how you would on a mobile device. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Making a call via Gmail is straightforward once you know where to find the tools. If at any point you encounter issues, make sure to double-check your browser and microphone permissions, and ensure that your internet connection is stable. You might also want to explore other Google Voice features available in Gmail to fully leverage this tool for your communication needs. Thanks for joining today's tutorial on how to call from Gmail. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in the next video.